Hey guys, welcome back to another product video for this solar powered address sign. So this is going to be an unboxing video and I'm going to show you what comes with this product, how to install it, and then I'll give my overall feedback at the end. So let's get into it. So when you first open it up, you have your instructions here. So this shows you how to install it and what it comes with. Instructions seem very easy. There's two ways to install it, either on the ground or if you want to wall mount it. Here are your different poles that you could use to put it inside the ground. And it comes with a stake right there. Here's the actual solar power sign right here. Here's your solar panel, nice and wide. Here are your 4 LED lights. So here's the back. You got your holes right here to mount this on the wall. Here's your off and your different mode selection for the lights. And then here's a bracket if you're going to use the ground method to attach this to the poles. And here are the mounting screws. Okay, so this pack, it comes with 3 different options, 3 numbers, 4 or even 5 for your house address. And then you have 3 sets of numbers 0 to 9. And then you have 1 full set of alphabets right here, A through Z. Okay, so I'm going to be using the 5. The stickers feel very durable. I like how it comes with this template here, so you can get all the numbers and letters nice and straight and spaced out evenly. I like with the stencil that you keep everything nice and even, so it comes out very nice and straight. I'm gonna upgrade my old sign to the new solar powered one. So I already drilled the holes on my brick, and now I'm just gonna screw in the screws. And now it sits right there perfectly. If you want to install this using the stakes, you grab the piece that has the flat surface that's closed, you put in this little groove here, and then you use this bracket to hold it in place. So I'm going to put the bracket first and then I'll slide in. So it's nice and firm, it's not going to fall out. You just add the different poles with the stake to make it how tall that you want to do it. So you just go like this, push them in. Push that in, and then you're able just to stake it in the ground, and then it stays nice and firm. So you can see how the light looks at night. It's nice and bright, and you see the bottom light right there. It lights up even to the bottom. If I want to change the color, I go like that. I like it with the white. Overall, this is a great outdoor solar sign. I like how easy it is to install. I like how it comes with the template, so you could align up the numbers easily for either 3, 4, or 5 numbers. I like how big the solar panel is. I like how it has the light on the bottom and the light for here for the background. And I also like how you're able to change the different colors of the light. So this is a great outdoor solar address sign to use, and it's very easy to install.